Hello everyone and welcome back to our DSA tutorial series. In today's session we will exploring searching algorithm. Searching algorithm. The method used to locate element in a data set. We will discuss linear search and binary search. So I will write it here. First one linear search and binary search. Okay, two widely used searching technique along with their real world application. Okay, by the end of this session you will understand how these algorithms work, their efficiency and where to apply them. So without wasting our time, let's get started. The first one is that is linear search. Linear search is the simplest searching method. It involves checking every element in a data set one by one until we find the target or reach the end of the list. Okay, like the time complexity for this, like I will write it here, that is time complexity for linear search is O not n, where n is the number of element. I will write it here, that is n is nothing but the number of elements in it. Okay, and about the use case of this, it's effective for small or unsorted data. Basically, use case, I will write it here, that is effective for small and unsorted dataset. Okay, so let's move toward our editor. So I will already write the code, so I will explain you the code. Okay, so first run the code. So I hope you get, like, it's visible to you and we get the element found output. Okay, so I will explain. That is the function linear search iterate through the array. Okay, and for each element it's check if it's match the target. That is, we write it here, that is where it is, just a second. We get an array of 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and our target value is 30. Okay, and it found it's returned true, otherwise after the loop it's returned false. Okay, so let's take a real world example for this. Like, imagine you are searching for a specific book in an unsorted piles and you have to check each book one by one until you find it. So that's nothing but the linear search in action. So let's run the code and we get that is element is found, that is the target that we hit here, it's already in our array. Okay, I hope you get this one. So the next one is that is binary search. So just a second. Yeah, binary search is a more efficient algorithm but work only on sorted database, because linear search is work in unsorted dataset but binary search is work in sorted dataset. Okay, it's divide the dataset into half repeatedly until the target is found or the search phase is exhausted. Okay, the time complexity for binary search is O naught log n. Okay, and it's mostly used in ideal for large and sorted dataset. That is use case, ideal for large and sorted dataset. Okay, let's go to our editor again. So I will already write it here, so let's remove it, because I will just in below we comment it out and remove it as well. Okay, so let's run the code. We get again element found, that is we return true if the value is true, that is target hit, we get the element found, and then we search in the right half, then we search in the left half. Okay, and if the element is not found, we write it as a return false. Okay, that is initiate two pointer, that is left, that is start of the array, and right, that is end of the array, and then calculate the middle index, that is index mid. Okay, and compare the middle element with the target if equals, if greater than, or if less than. For If equals, then return true. That's we write it here like if true. Okay, and then if the target is greater, search the right half by updating left one. We will write it here that this statement. Okay, and then if the smaller, search the left half by updating right, and then repeat until the target found on the pointer overlap. Okay, so like take a real world example of this, like think of searching for a word in a dictionary. You open it roughly in the middle, check the word, and then decide whether to look in the first or second half. That's how binary search works. Okay, so to summarize linear search, I just move toward it. Yeah, just a second. Linear search is a simple and work on unsorted data. We will write it here. That is linear search is for unsorted data set. And about the binary search, it's mostly for sorted data set. Okay, but binary search is faster but required sorted data. And understanding this technique is crucial as they form the basic of many complex algorithms. Okay, so in the next lecture, we will discuss advanced data structure like hash table. Okay, for even faster search. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Bye bye.